Hi everyone, this is Autumn Howard. I am going to be presenting to you some basic database concepts. And of course, it's been interesting transitioning into learning backend for me coming from front end where I don't have really like a visual grasp of it, but I'm starting to understand some more. Pretty much any website you go to, there's going to be an option to create an account or register in some way log in. Of course, obviously with BYU Idaho, we have all of our student information stored on this site. We have personal information, we have our academic information, there's even an email application. And so with so much information about so many things on this site, all of that related information, for example, like related to me, has to be organized. And in general, that data will be organized into a database. So I'm not going to show you an example related to my personal site just because some of that stuff, is confidential to me, but I created an example to show you. So when you enter your information in a website, the application stores it into a database that's been created on a server. And in general, a database is a set of tables that is stored. So each table would contain data about a collection of related features. For example, here's my nerd example, student wand information. So this is just one set of information that, let's say, the administration has access to at a certain school. So think of a database like an Excel spreadsheet. The information is organized into columns and into rows, as you can see, based on what type of information it is. So a table is a collection of related data organized into a structured format, and each category of information is related into columns. So the columns represent a specific type of data, and in a database, a column is also called an attribute. So for example, here we have what type of wood is this wand made out of, and that is represented in a column. Now each row in a database represents a specific instance of the type of object that the table is talking about. This is called a record. So in this table, in this database of student wand information, here we have the record for Harry Potter. His wand is made of Hollywood. It has all of the information stored in this row pertaining to this individual instance. So that's a record. There is some specific, more database specific jargon. For example, the heading of the column would be called a field name, and sometimes the column is referred to as a field. But typically when we talk about a field, we're talking about one instance of information, so just one box in this table. That is a field or a value. For example, 10 3/4 inches here is a field, a piece of information, and that happens to be the length of Hermione Granger's wand. So in these fields, you can see that different data types are allowed. For example, we have integers, we have text or strings, we have it could allow floats, it could allow dates. So when you sign into any website, like going back to our BYU Idaho example, when you sign into a website, your information is being retrieved from a database. It's been collected based on a common linking factor. In that case, it would be you're the common linking factor. And when organizing those huge volumes of complex data, each type has its own object or table. So hopefully I was clear enough for you guys. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will keep you posted. Thanks for watching.